Hey, thanks for checking out a car at New Rochelle Toyota. Come on down and see why we're one of the best in the country at what we do. We'll see you soon. Thank you.
This is a 2013 Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive truck. Black exterior, graphite interior, 15,000 miles with an automatic transmission. A very nice vehicle. Come and see it at New Rochelle Toyota, just seconds off I-95. We have a huge selection and our sales team will take care of you. Stop by or give us a call at 877-659-0352. That's 877-659-0352. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.